Hello friends, welcome to Competition World. Today we are going to see about the India Science Quiz conducted by Department of Science and Technology and Indian Science Research and by my government. So in this site quiz.mygovernment.in you can find the quiz. Um, it is the quiz start date is from 23/9 from September 23 to October 22. So the top 5, the rewards are top 5 participants will receive a science book hamper, and you will you will be asked 10 questions in 900 seconds. That means 15 minutes. So click here the play quiz to start play quiz, and everybody who attend the quiz will be awarded a e-certificate. So here are the some terms and conditions given. So 10 questions to be answered in 900 seconds. These questions will be randomly picked and the winners will be adjudged in the maximum number of correct answers. In case of multiple participants are given same number of correct answers, they will be participant at least time to complete the quiz, adjust the winner. So you can skip a tough question. This is the prototype. They have given the prototype and they have also explained about the quiz. So it is Vigyan Prasar, an autonomous organization of the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India is arranging the quiz under the title Indian Science Quiz. The objective of the quiz to test the citizens' scientific temper and awareness, to make the process of knowing and exciting most answer to the questions or to be found in the films available on Indian Science. So you can check this website. It will be available in our description. You can also download the Indian Science app to the Android and iOS Play Store. So download the Indian Science app. So it will be useful for attending this quiz. So top 5 participants will receive science book hamper or prizes from Vigyan Prasar. So the quiz is being organized. These are the terms and conditions. The quiz is being organized by the Vigyan Prasar under the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Participants all over the world of all nationalities can eligible to enter the quiz. Those questions will be asked on the films available on Indian Science TV channel. So these questions will be available on Indian Science TV channel. Check out that in YouTube also. So you have to give your email address, your name, your email address, telephone number and postal address. By submitting your contact details, you will give consent to these details being used for the purpose of the quiz. One entrant can participate only once, so multiple entries will not be accepted, friends. And next, so you have to obey these terms and conditions. Once submitted, the entry cannot be withdrawn. So you can only one time only you can submit the entry. You can participate only once. The quiz will start as soon as you click the start button quiz. The quiz will open from September 23 to October 22. Organized by entering the quiz, the entrants accept the agrees to be bound by these terms and conditions. So by entering the quiz, you will be accepted. You will be agree with the terms and conditions. So here you can see the terms and conditions, and here click to log in to play quiz. Okay, click the login to play quiz. So friends, I have logged in. So once you click the start quiz button, so I have logged in. You can see that with competition world. So once you click the start quiz, the quiz will be started. So friends, I have attended the quiz, and here you can download your certificate. So a pop-up appears, and then you can download your certificate here. Click download certificate to download your certificate. Make sure to keep your ID safe. And friends, here is the certificate I have received from by participating in the Indian Science Quiz. So you will receive like this certificate, e-certificate, which you can convert into a certificate. So and after receiving the certificate, you can't participate again, which means one person can participate only once. So it is compulsory. You can also click here to participate now. So this is a quiz organized from 23rd September 22nd October by the Indian Government of Science and Technology. So participate and win. So there are also many quiz pending. Dekho Apna Desh, like Poshan quiz, Poshan Abhiyan quiz and NEP quiz. The last date is ending for NEP quiz. So attend these quizzes and win exciting prizes, friends. Thank you. If once you can check for the winner announcement here in the My Government blog page. So you can check here for the winner announcement in the My Government blog page. if you check in the My Government blog page, recently they have announced the winner of Ayush for Immunity quiz. So weekly there will be 7 people for Ayush quiz. Their names are also given here. So like this you can check the result of your quiz. We will announce in our channel. So don't worry friends, win exciting prizes, study well and win exciting prizes. Thank you. Share this video to your friends. Please share this video to your friends and like our channel. Comment below your questions, and also friends, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.